Hello guys, this is a video that shows how to stream live on Facebook via a third-party software. And for this video we're going to use the third-party software that we're going to use to stream live to Facebook will be OBS. Why I choose OBS is because OBS is an open source application, which means you can download it anywhere on the internet and it's for free. So let's get on it now. This is the Facebook account, this is the OBS software. In case you don't have it on your system, you can just Google OBS Studio and the latest version will be popped up for you to download. It is free. So this is the OBS software, it's open now, and this is the Facebook, and we want to stream live to this Facebook account. I'm using this person's account for now for this particular tutorial. So let's get going, guys. I want to believe that you know how to navigate around your Facebook account already, and I want to believe that you also know how to navigate around your OBS application already. But in case you don't know that, for now, that's notwithstanding, we will still navigate to the through the necessary areas that you can use to make this tutorial work for yourself. So let's go, guys. Now I always like to have a text open for me like this also. So I said I wrote some titles here, like the stream title, the server URL, and the stream key. In case you don't know those, just follow along the tutorial and you'll be able to know why I wrote these things down. Alright, so let's get on, guys. Now this is the Facebook account. Let's assume that this is your own Facebook page and you want to stream live to this Facebook page through a third-party application. And let's assume that you want to stream a feed that is on the internet, so that is playing on the internet, like maybe a movie or a show or something, and I want to use this IMDb site, this frame here. So let's assume that something is playing here right now, like something is playing here, but no, though this is static, but let's assume that something is playing here, this window here, and you want to stream what is here on Facebook. So what you have to do is to come to your OBS, then on your OBS, of course, you have the preview window, you have the program window. This is the preview window, this is the program window. Any feed that is here goes live if you activate your live stream. Any window that is here is just for preview, it does not go live. And in case your OBS is not showing like this, like how my own is showing, you can check that my studio mode here is on. That's why it's showing the studio mode of my OBS. So if your own is not showing like this, click on this studio mode and your own will appear like how my own is appearing right now. So if you come at this bottom side, you'll see here, you see the scenes pane. This is the scenes pane, excuse me. This is a source pane. This is your audio mixer pane. This is your scene transition pane, and these are your control panes. Alright, so now we want to add this frame here into our OBS. So what we have to do is to come to this our scene pane, click on the first scene, then you find out that your sources pane is showing like this. Just click on the plus button And when you go through all this, you see window capture here. Click on the window capture, then click on OK. And now on this window, okay, now is showing my Firefox already, because I opened this window with my Firefox browser here. But if your own is not showing there as default, just click on this drop down here and you'll be able to select what you want to show here, you know. So this is my Firefox window. I'll click on it, and if I don't want my cursor to show on my live feed, in case I'm moving my cursor around on my laptop or my desktop, and I don't want it to show on live feed, I will just uncheck this and my cursor will no longer show no matter how I'm moving it around. So I'll just click OK here, and you see it has appeared on my preview window. Now, since this area is just the area that we want to show, because if it's a video player, it will be playing just here and it's not be playing on all these other sides of the window. So if we want to crop out these other sides of the frame, we can just move our cursor to that pointer there, hold down our Alt key on the keyboard, you click and drag down to crop out that window. Then you do the same thing here, you come here, you hold down your Alt key, click and drag down to crop out that window. Then you come at the bottom too, you hold your Alt key, click and you drag to clean it up, to crop it up. Yeah, perfect. Then you come to this other left hand side also, you hold the Alt key, click and drag to crop that out. Now this is the window that we want to be showing. So let's click on it and it will be highlighted. Then let's click on one side. This time around you are no longer holding the Alt key. Let's click one side and drag to make sure that it fits well on the window. Now this is how it is. Then if it's not centered fine, and if you want it to center fine, you can just click and drag to make sure that it's centered fine on the preview window. And when you like the way it is, you can just click outside and it seems okay. Now if you want it to go on your program feed there, you can just cut in or you fade in, whichever way. Now it will come here. Now by the time you start streaming, this feed will be appearing on your Facebook page. Now we've gotten this one done, so let's go to Facebook. This is our Facebook. So now we are on our home page on Facebook. You see a live video here. In case you want to stream to a Facebook page, you have to go to the page and click on live video here. So just click on live video, then it will take you to this page. Click here on select, you see go live, click here on select, then you wait for it to load. Wait for it to load, guys. Okay, now it has opened and it is showing us two options here, whether you want to stream with webcam or you want to stream with software. Now this is the option that we want to stream with, because we want to stream with OBS software. So we'll click on stream with software and the controls come out for us to select from. So I'll just close this for now. Then you see here stream keys. That was why I made this note here, and I titled this server URL and stream key. Now this is the stream key. I'll just copy the stream key here come to my notepad, and I'll click here. I'll click and just paste my stream key there. Then I'll scroll down. You see here advanced settings here. I'll click on this chevron button, and when I scroll down I'll see server URL. I'll click copy here, copy it, go to my notepad, and I'll just paste down my server URL in there. Then let's assume that what I want to stream is a movie or a show or anything, you know, the title of the show. So I'll just assume that this one is a movie titled testing testing streams or something like that. Let me make this one a lowercase t. Yes, testing streams. Let's assume that that's title, because you cannot be streaming something that does not have a title, you know. So now we've gotten our server URL from our Facebook page, we've gotten our stream key from our Facebook page. Now you see here on this side of the Facebook, you see 1 of 3. It means that Facebook is telling you that for you to start streaming, you've done 1 step out of 3 steps. That's why this one is checked, complete the post details. Now this one is checked. Now they're asking you to connect video source. Now the video source is the OBS that we use to stream. So we just come and copy this stream key here. We'll copy this stream key here, go to our OBS, come to settings. Let me turn off this virtual camera. Come to settings, I click on settings, then I'll come to stream and click on stream. Then I copy the what did I copy? I copy the stream key. So this is my stream key here. I'll come clear this out and paste my stream key there. Then I'll come and copy the server URL. I copy the server URL. I come to the server URL area here. I highlight everything and paste the server URL there, and I'll click on apply. Oh, okay. There's something I need to show you. Output. Now on this output here, if your OBS is not showing as my own is showing, possibly your own output mode here is on simple. I like leaving mine on advanced. So if you're on advanced, you see this keyframe interval. You know, me, I like leaving it at 16, but because if it's too low, Facebook will tell you that your keyframes is too low. So I like leaving mine on 16. And make sure that your stream settings and your recording settings are not the same. Like your recording setting is not using your stream setting in case you want to record also, but that's a tutorial for another day. So just leave this keyframe interval to be 16, then click on apply and click OK. Now your stream settings are in place. Then you go ahead and hit on your stream. Okay, I think we should set our let's see, recording output. Okay, this is the one I used. My rate control, I use VBR because that happens to be the best for me. But you can just go about, just check all the settings here and do exactly what it is here, and you'll be good to go. Alright, so now we'll just hit on start streaming here. Go hit on start streaming. Let's wait for it to connect. It's showing you are connecting. It's showing connecting. Yeah, now it's showing here stop streaming, so it has started streaming. Here when you check here now, you know that you are seeing that you are live and your time has started counting, and your bar here is green, so your stream is fine. Now when it comes to this your Facebook, you see that this 1 of 3 has changed to 2 of 3, which means you've connected your source quite alright. Now this go live here is now showing active. Before, when it was 1 of 3, this go live wasn't active. So now you can now click on go live and go live. But then let's see if we can add title to our stream. Now this is where you are going to add the title of your stream. You can add description if you want, you know, it depends on what you are streaming, but me, I'll just leave it at title. So I'll just come here and I like this testing streams, copy it, come to this option and just paste it there. That's the title of the stream that I want to do. So that being entered, I'll just come here and click on go live. Now when I click on go live, it will now be showing 3 of 3, and it's trying to connect. It's live, it's trying to connect. It's showing here live video is starting. So let's just watch and see. Then on this your place here, you are seeing live video is connecting stream software to go live. Let's wait for it. Yeah, okay, now it has shown that it has connected and it has started counting already. So okay, now when you see customize the dashboard in live, now you can decide to customize. Just go and customize your dashboard, but you can do anything you want to do. You can create a pool or something, you know, create another. I don't know, I don't want to do that. So you can see that our live is on here. Assuming this was a video, it would have been playing. Let's see if we can play this video and see if, since it's a trailer, let's see if we can play this video and see if it will play. But assuming this is a live feed that you're getting from any kind of internet source or premiering any online TV station, you know, you just see it playing there, you know. Let's see if it will play. It might distort the frame size, but if it does, we can always still go back and redo our frame size so that it can fit into the preview. And let's hit on this and see.
Is that gonna fit everyone?
Yeah, easily. 12 customers total.
How do they turn a profit?
$12.50 a head, that's how.
What, are we eating a Rolex?
Let's go to our Facebook.
It's one of his classics. You have to try the mouthfeel of the mignonette.
Please don't say mouthful.
Tonight will be madness.
Welcome. We'll endeavor to make your evening.
So guys, this is our video and it should show here if our OBS is running quite alright. Okay, our OBS is disconnected, that's why, but that's how to do it, guys, and you'll be good to go. Our frame size are okay, so that's how to do it. Thank you so much, guys. Until I bring another video again, I want you to keep winning, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.